Please pick a card. The card that you have chosen is 10 of diamond. Hello everyone. The card trick that we will be learning today is called the Photographic Memory Card Trick. The preparation that we need to do for this card trick is super simple. First, prepare 2 stacks of cards. These stacks of cards consist of every pair of cards with similar color and value, like so. So we have black 6, black king, red 10, and it goes on until all the cards are used up. Next, we will put any one stack of the cards over the other stack. We are now ready to perform the magic trick. To perform this magic trick, first do a basic shuffle of the cards. Then announce to your audience that you can tell exactly which card he or she has picked in seconds simply by scanning through this stack of cards using your photographic memory power. Next, tell your audience to pick a card. Let's say your audience has picked this card. We'll take it out from the stack of cards and put it on the table. Then, put the bottom stack of cards on top of the other stack of cards. Next, turn the stack of cards over and see the top and the bottom cards. So we have a black queen and a black knight. All you need to do next is to scan through the cards and find another set of black queen and a black knight in a stack of cards. Once you have found the 2 cards, the black queen and the black knight, the card in between them is what you're looking for. So we have the 3 of hearts here, which means the audience has chosen the other red 3 card, which is diamonds. We'll continue to scan through the rest of the cards. Then we can tell the audience that the card that he or she has chosen is the 3 of diamonds. To perform the trick again, simply put the chosen card on top of the stack of cards and you're ready to go. I hope you like this card trick. And oh, by the way, you can also ask the audience to pick more than one card as long as the cards are arranged consecutively. Try out and impress your audience with your photographic memory. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.